a city built inside a canyon of the Andes. This is La Paz, home to over 1 million people. Above it, on the flats, sits El Alto, with nearly 2 million more. To connect the two, the city needed a better way to move. In 2014, construction of a cable car system began, and today there are 11 lines linking La Paz and El Alto. We're taking a self-guided ride to see what it's like to get a bird's eye view of what we think is one of the coolest cities in South America. So come along and take this self-guided tour with us to see the city of La Paz in the cable cars. We just got done doing the tour with Crazy Dave, so we started on the purple line because that was closest to the San Pedro Prison Square, aka Plaza Sucre. Picante en española. Alright, we just got some Jawitas. And I got Española, she got the Primavera. Or no, Picante. Let's see what it looks like.
Bread.
It's like soft bread with like Velveeta cheese in the middle with like some peppers for mine. But kind of like a Hot Pocket. That was really spicy too.
But better, way more soft.
But better, yeah.
This one's really spicy.
I think that is.
Bite for bite. We got chorizo in yours.
Yeah.
So this is where we are now, and we're gonna take Linea Plateada, like Silver Line, to Satellite.
Perched high above La Paz, El Alto is one of the fastest growing cities in Latin America. In the mid-20th century, waves of indigenous migrants, mainly Aymara, moved here from the countryside. Unlike La Paz, built deep in the canyon, El Alto spreads wide across the flat plateau, giving it room to expand at an incredible pace. It was a short trip in El Alto, so now we're gonna head back down to the bottom of the canyon in La Paz.
This is such a cool way to see the city, honestly. You get such a different perspective. There's so many lines. I would definitely recommend this. What do we want today?
We just stopped at the last stop on the green line, and before we hop back on, we're gonna get some food. More Jawitas, Happy's food.
Saladitos. We got queso and lasagna. Honestly, these saladitos are way bigger than I was expecting them to be.
They look really good. She got the queso, I got the lasagna.
This blew away my expectations.
Make it a
I was not expecting it to be as good. Dinner of champions. First, we start with a deep fried cheese ball, and now we're going with donuts.
Chirimoya, custard apple,
Mora.
blackberry.
Blackberry. All of these places are blowing me away. This is so soft. Exactly what I would want in a donut. And the frosting is good. Blackberry.
And they are promoting Simpsons, so they live up to it. Holy crap. It's like so soft, and the frosting is like hard over it, but then it's soft and you bite into it and there's just flavor. It's really sweet.
I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous at first. Didn't know if they were gonna be good donuts, but that's why you never judge a donut by its frosting. You know what I mean?
Sure, when I see purple donuts, it's like,
But this,
blackberry,
oh my god.
apple custard. Well, we got one by ourselves.
We got one by ourselves! Yay! I feel like I've had to be quiet in them this whole time. But now we can be as loud as we want!
Woo! This is such a cool side of town.
Yeah, look at that park.
This is like a whole tour in itself.
Yeah, I recommend this for sure. We're going up the mountain.
Alright.
Linia Celeste.
Blue.
One stop and then we go to Linia Blanca. And
There's the river again.
there's the river. I didn't get to see it last time.
We're going under the bridge.
Under the bridge, under the bridge, under the bridge. Look at car graveyard.
We are going to the white line now. These buildings are awesome. They're so easy to distinct because it's literally the color of the cable car is the color of the building. So we gotta go to the white big building.
All right, we stopped at Mundo Sabor and got us some strawberry yogurt with fruit. Had to do something healthy after that last stop. If you didn't know, we're hiking a 20,000-foot mountain long. Starting off strong with the papaya.
There's been bananas, watermelon, apple, green melon, honeydew, and what else? Papaya, and strawberries.
Are now heading to Orange Line, Linia Naranja.
Second to last one before we stop.
Okay, so we are here right now and we're gonna take it all the way and get off in Central because we're located like right here. We started here, but we're just gonna get off here because we could go all the way back down, but it would just cost more money. So we're getting off at Central.
That wraps up our trip on the teleférico.
Oh yes.
We got off on one early because we realized it's a little bit closer.
Now we're gonna find some food, something light maybe, and head back. We have
Some more
a
food.
big day tomorrow.
Huge the next few days.
So if you want to see how it goes, make sure to click that subscribe button so you won't miss out.